I want to show you how to cut like a pro. And luckily for you, NoCry Cut Resistant gloves will help prevent any sort of rookie mistakes. You first want to make sure you have a nice, stable cutting board. You want to place a wet towel underneath the cutting board to help keep it stable. In addition, you really want to make sure the blade of your knife is as sharp as it can be. The sharper the blade is, the safer it is. Let's talk about how to properly grip your knife. If you put your finger on top of the knife, or you hold it too far back on the handle, you'll have a dainty grip. Instead, you should put your finger and thumb at the very back of the knife and wrap your other fingers around the handle. The most common mistake that happens while chopping is laying your fingers out flat. Instead, you want to form a claw so that your fingers go in and the knife hits up against your knuckles as you're chopping. In this manner, your fingertips are protected the whole time and also gives you control over your cuts. Then, when you're all finished, you want to wash your knife by hand, dry it straight away to prevent any chance it gets dull. You never want to use a dishwasher. But the good news is, you can throw your gloves straight into a washing machine, making sure they're ready the next time around.